Hello guys, today I'm going to be talking about the basic of VI commands. The basic of VI commands. If you go through these materials, you will see a lot of commands that we use on VI. I also have a cheat sheet here. I can also give you all the commands that you need. The purpose of this tutorial is just to let you know how to use VI basically with just some few commands that you can go through the material to equip yourself well. I'm going to show you practically how to do this. First of all, what is VI? VI is a default editor that comes with the Unix operating system, and there are two modes that are on the VI. We have the command mode. Command mode causes the actions to be taken on the file. And we also have insert mode, in which enter text is inserted into the file. Let's go straight to the practice now. Let me use my computer command prompt. Okay, now we're going to use this terminal. We're going to create a file that we're going to edit using VI. Now let's use this command touch to create a file. VI, the name of our file is VI tutorial. Okay, now you hit enter. We've created a file. To be sure we have our file, we use ls command, hit enter. Oh, we have our file already. Now let's write text into the file using VI. So that's why we're using this VI command. VI, then you have the text in front of the file right there. Hit enter. Now, like I said earlier, there are two types of mode in VI: the command mode as well as the insert mode. In command mode, you don't type or insert text in command mode. Whatever characters you type in command mode, actions are being taken on the file. But when you are in insert mode, you can now type some text into the file. Now, how do you navigate from command mode to insert mode? Well, from what we have here in the cheat sheet, when you press I, command I, letter I, insert before the cursor. So let's do that quickly and see what happens. Do you notice what happened here at the bottom? It changes to insert, so we can now type into it. Let's type into it. We have VI tutorial. Now we can do a lot of things here. In order to navigate, to move around the file, you can use your arrow key to move backward and forward. You can also use some other commands in the cheat sheets to do a lot of things. To repeat research bars, go to last line. Just go through the materials. It's also here as well. You see all the commands you need. But in order to move quickly, you can use your arrow key to move forward, backward, and all that. Now, the next thing is for us to save. How do you save the information, the text you've typed into the file? The first step is for you to go back to command line. How do you go back to command line? By pressing your ESC key. So let's do that. Now I'm pressing the ESC key now. Do you notice anything here? So it has changed to command mode now. Now for us to save this information, the next thing we need to do is to type a command. Let's check our cheat sheets for that. You can see :W key, write to file and quit. So let's write that. We use to save. We are using it to save our information in the file and then quit. So I'm going to type :W key, hit enter. Now let's check if the information is still there. Cards this. Of course it's still there. So the text has been saved into the file. Again, let's make changes to the file now. Now we press I to change it. Let me change this to the file. So I'm going to write it is interesting. Now you've made a change, and now we don't want the change again. We don't want to save the change. We want to go back to what was in the file before, which was VI tutorial. We don't want the change. What do we do? Well, the first thing is to go back to command mode first by pressing the ESC key. Now I'm doing that now. Now, quitting without saving, colon Q exclamatory mark, quit without saving. So let's press that and see what happens. Just put it high here. Something's going to happen here. You have your colon Q exclamatory mark. So now you hit enter. What happened? We're back to our terminal. Let's see if the information has been saved or not by using cards. You see, the information was not saved. Why? Because we use the command Q colon Q exclamatory mark. We use this command here. So that is it. That is it about VI. You can learn more about the basic commands by going through this material. Then you practice on your own. When you start working on your own, in time you become a pro. Thanks.